that finished yet. But here it's like washing up. As you can see, the water sprinkles are right there, and it is just super amazing. Right here, guys, we are literally whipping it up, and it's just so amazing. And here's the front. It's all shiny and new, and it's just so glittery. Also, we don't really use the truck really that much in our videos because my baby sister just won't fit in this truck. And here's me vlogging my dad. We're on the top, and yeah, it's just so much fun to do car washes or truck washes with your family, guys. I really recommend it, and you can ask them for help. And yeah, so right here is basically me cleaning it up next, and I really enjoy doing this. And usually my dad's truck would have a alarm when a person gets on it or even hits it. So yeah, my dad turned that off, and once I kind of helped him with it, and the alarm went on, my dad forgot to turn it off. I got so scared.